Got my double bubble on the lid. Got my vent covers. Couple 1-inch foams. Let's see if there's anything at all going on in here. Negative. They just aren't cooperating. I still got a frame or two that they need to draw out, so I'm probably gonna end up pulling this. I'm gonna look in the hive, I think on Monday. Unfortunately, Monday is gonna be colder. But let's see here. The other hive, they're propolising. Oh, this one too. Let's see. Up, fly away. Is that a protector? Oh, look at that. They're propolising. They won't come up in here though. They got all this stuff going on. What if they won't come up? What's wrong with you, ladies? So they're definitely propolising, so it's not venting. I'm going to put some insulation, probably this 1-inch stuff around the hive body. Give them all the help I can give them. This one has 9 frames in it. Got separator boards on either side, little 1/2-inch ones. So I take 1 frame out, so there are 9 frames. And they had work to do on the edges still, so I'm sure they're doing that. I don't think we're gonna get, we're not gonna have time, I don't think, to do the jars. So we'll try again with the jars in the spring.